Bon, il n'est pas plus beau de ses capacités, il y a les bâches et alors.
Currently lots of stuff stored down here in the cabins. It's winter. Twin cabin with bunk beds, heater, owner's making sure it stays dry and warm in here. Large midships double cabin with Jack and Jill bathroom, also accessed from the corridor. As you can see. Double cabin forward. All the cabins have cooling, heating, air conditioning. Both the larger cabins also have stereo. The forward cabin has an ensuite. It also has a DVD player, television and a walk-in wardrobe. For more details, please go to Boatshed Riviera.